I live in the sky. I'm four-letter word. I twinkle. I come at night. I'm green, but not a leaf. I'm bitter in taste, but not a neem. I'm vegetable. I hang myself. I am yellow, but not a lemon. I am long, but not a god. I am a fruit. Guess who am I? I am four-letter word. I have two vowels. I start with D and end on R. You open and close me. I have handle too. Who am I? I am a national bird. I live in forest and zoo. I am so beautiful. I dance in rainy season. Guess who am I? I am three-letter word. I start and end on same letter. I have two vowels and a consonant. I help in reading. Guess who am I? I am a body part. I have two vowels. My name is rhyme with deer. Guess who am I? I am a fruit. I am green and black too. No need to peel and cut. I am so tasty. I am round in shape. I am colorful. Children likes to play with me. I am related to bat. Who am I? I fly in the sky. I am four-letter word. My name rhyme with right. Who am I? I am round but not an orange. I am yellow but not a lemon. I give light and heat. I live far away. Who am I? I am yellow. I am tasty. You can guess me by this emoji. I am a body part. I am only one. I rhyme with rose. I am six letters word. I begin and end on same letter. I give light and air. I am in your school and home too. What can't be used until it's broken?